In this video, I'll show you how to password protect a product within WooCommerce in just a few simple steps. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. Okay, so here we are on our test site, and as you can see, this particular product is password protected, meaning the user doesn't have access to the product price. They're not able to check out this particular product unless they've got the correct password. So if we enter in a password here, we should be able to get access to this particular product. Okay, and now we can see the product price and we can add it to cart. We can select our options and then just add it to cart. So if you want to create a similar setup in your WooCommerce store, the first step is to head over to woosuite.com. Go ahead and download and install the WooCommerce restriction rules plugin. Once you've done so, let's head back over to our dashboard. I'll leave the link in the description below. So assuming you've downloaded the restriction rules plugin, the second step would be to upload that plugin. So you want to navigate to plugins, add new, go ahead and install and activate the plugin. Once you've done so, you'll see this WooSuite menu here. Activate your license key and then go ahead and navigate to the restriction rules menu. So the third step would be to create our password protection rule for our product. Okay, so we'll scroll down to where it says password protected rules. And in here, we get to choose who we want this rule to apply to. So we can set it to everyone, guest users, which are users that are logged out of your site, or a specific user role, or a specific user. So in my case, I'm just going to select everyone for testing purpose. And here we can filter the products by category. So we can say password protect all products within the t-shirt category, or we can create a password protection rule by tags, or we can just go ahead and select the individual products. So I'm going to X this off and I'm just going to select a product here. You can just search for the particular product in which you want to password protect. So in my case, I've protected this knitted collar top product here. Go ahead and enter in your password, the password expiration date if you have one. And if you want to create multiple rules, you'll just go ahead and click add new rule. So once you've done with configuring this section here, then we'll navigate to password settings. And here we can show some extra information before the password input form, just to inform users on what's going on, or maybe how they can get access to this particular product. So in my case, I've just said this product is password protected. Okay, and maybe we can say to get access, contact admin, or maybe upgrade your plan or something like that. Okay, and then for the submit button, you can go ahead and rename the submit button. Okay, so I'll just name mine submit password. Go ahead and hit save changes. And then the fourth and final step is just to test out the particular rule in which you've just created to make sure everything's working as it should. So we'll navigate to our product page and I'm just going to open this in a new tab. Okay, and here you can see our password protection rules working exactly as it should. So here you can see that text in which we added earlier. So this product is password protected, and then we can just go ahead and input our password here. Go ahead and hit submit, and now we've got access to this particular product. And that's the password protect a particular product within WooCommerce in just a few simple steps. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. If you've got any questions, leave it in the comment box below, or reach out to support and we'll get back to you as soon as possible.